Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to get clear mode on TikTok. So to get clear mode on TikTok, you don't need to download anything specific, you don't need to do any iPhone gestures or whatever. All you need to do is open up the app. Once you have opened up the app, you need to long hold on the video and basically click on clear display. Now I can't actually click at the moment clear display because I am screen recording and TikTok doesn't allow you to do it, but basically that's the way to do it. Just hold down, click clear display, and that's it. And of course it should be for every video you watch. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.